Hey there and welcome. Today we are going to dive into a brand new tool called Host Hustle. Now this was built from the ground up to solve all those little annoying challenges that small-scale property hosts face every single day. So if you're managing just a few rooms or properties, listen up because this one is definitely for you.
So, let me just start with a question that might hit a little too close to home. Does managing your properties feel less like a smooth-running business and more like, well, a constant chaotic hustle? If you're nodding your head right now, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And trust me, you are in the right place.
And that really gets to the heart of it, what we're calling the Small Hosts Challenge. It's that feeling, right? You're juggling everything, all the time, and you're doing it without the fancy, expensive tools that the big hotel chains have. And that whole juggling act, it leads to some pretty common headaches. Sound familiar? You've got guest messages scattered across WhatsApp and who knows what other apps. You're digging through emails to manually type in booking details. You find yourself sending the exact same welcome info over and over and over again. You're trying to remember which room has that weird thermostat. And getting honest feedback from guests? Forget about it. It's just a recipe for burnout.
But what if you could swap all that chaos for some calm clarity? Well, it's time to meet your new best friend, your new dashboard. Let's talk about Host Hustle.
You see, the entire idea behind Host Hustle is incredibly simple, but everything you need all in one place. Just imagine, no more jumping between 5 different apps just to handle one guest stay.
And the transformation is, well, it's pretty huge. Think about it. Before, you were manually typing in booking info. With Host Hustle, it's a one-click Airbnb import. Those scattered chats, now they're in one centralized WhatsApp group. The same old generic welcome message becomes a beautiful, personalized welcome page for each guest. And all those random notes, they become actual AI-powered insights. This is the big shift, from just reacting to problems to proactively running your business.
Okay, so you're probably wondering, how does this actually work? Let's walk through what a typical host's journey looks like. You're going to see just how smooth this whole workflow really is.
It's really just a simple 6-step process. First, you sign up with your Google account. Super easy. Then, you define your property, add your photos, amenities, all that good stuff. After that, you set up each of your rentable units, giving each one its own calendar and a dedicated WhatsApp link. You can pop in your staff's info for quick reference, and then you're ready to start managing reservations. But the last step, step 6, is where the real magic happens. You can actually optimize your whole operation by analyzing guest chats. It's the full circle, from booking all the way to business intelligence.
So that's the how. Now let's dig into the why. Why does this work so well? Let's look at the powerful features that bring some real, tangible benefits.
First up, let's talk about making your guests feel special. Host Hustle lets you create these absolutely stunning, personalized welcome pages. And let me tell you, they make an incredible first impression. So here's the really cool part. For every single booking, the system creates a unique, private web link just for that guest. This page automatically pulls in your general property info, like the address and your house rules, and it merges it with details specific to their room, like the Wi-Fi code or instructions for the TV. It's a completely tailored experience every single time with zero extra work from you.
All right, next up, communication. This is such a big deal. Instead of messages flying all over the place, you get to unify all communication for a booking into one single, dedicated WhatsApp group.
And the way it does this is just simple genius. For each room, you just create a WhatsApp group one time and save the invite link in Host Hustle. That's it. From then on, that link automatically shows up on every guest's welcome page for that room. They just click it, and boom, they're in a private chat with you and any staff members you've included. It is so streamlined and so efficient.
Okay, let's talk about a feature that is a real game changer. That endless, soul-crushing manual data entry from other booking sites, while Host Hustle lets you effortlessly import your Airbnb bookings.
And you get 2 ways to do it, so you can pick whatever you're comfortable with. The absolute simplest way? You just copy the text from an Airbnb confirmation email, paste it in, and the system's parser reads everything and fills out the reservation for you. It's like magic. Or, if you're a little more tech-savvy, you can connect directly using the API for a totally automated workflow. The choice is yours.
Now, this is where Host Hustle goes way beyond just being a management tool and actually helps you improve your business. You can literally turn your old guest chats into valuable, actionable insights.
So how does that work?
You just export a chat from a guest stay and paste it into the tool. The AI then gets to work, analyzing everything. It can tell you what extra services the guest used, figure out their overall sentiment, and it can even give you a guest quality score. This helps you identify your best customers so you can send them special offers in the future. It's like having your own personal data analyst on call.
So, when you put it all together, what does it all mean? It's about one thing: helping you start hosting smarter. It's about taking your business and making it both simpler and better.
You know, the mission statement here really says it all. The goal is to empower small-scale hosts with powerful tools that simplify management, elevate guest experiences, and maximize profitability. At the end of the day, this isn't just about saving a few hours here and there. It's about building a stronger, more professional business that you're proud of.
And what's it going to cost you to get started on this transformation? To get all these core features? Zero. That's right. It costs nothing to get started. So, are you ready to finally stop the hustle and start hosting? The next step couldn't be simpler. Just head on over to hosthustle.com, sign up with your Google account, and start trading that chaos for clarity today.